What's up, guys? I figured while we were on vacation down at Lake Martin for Labor Day weekend that we would show you another docking video. It seemed like there was a little bit of interest in the last one, so this one, not really going to talk all the way through it. I put some little tags up in the top left. I'll just say that there are some parts where you won't actually hear me go into neutral, and that's just because I'm in the safe or the area of, once you go from moving the lever out of neutral to forward or reverse, there's until you actually get engagement in the transmission, there's a little zone right there where nothing really happens, and that's where I'm kind of referring to as neutral. You won't actually hear the click, but same concept applies. I'm only applying throttle when I need to control the rudder and my movement. So we did have to hang off to the left side to get me kind of the right angle of attack I'm looking for to swing the stern around into the dock. But you can see, no problem.